This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan LaGrotta. Lakefront Living in Naples. This lovely condo is located on the first floor, offering 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with laundry and residence, overlooking the lake in the community of Gulf Winds East. Impact glass sliders and windows in 1,000 square feet of air-conditioned living space plus an outdoor patio. In addition, 1 assigned parking space, plus common area parking. The community amenities include heated pool and spa, walking path around the lake, tennis courts, picket ball, and bocce. The community also offers a social activities calendar for residents. Desirable location, close proximity to Marco Island beaches, East Trail shopping, Restaurant Row, downtown Naples. Access to major thoroughfares and Fort Myers Arpt. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan LaGrotta at 239-438-7776.